Go.
A wise man once said, "Work hard in silence and let your success make the noise." And New Eraites always make this noise when it comes to CBSE board results. Hence, the second edition of New Era News is a power back of 4 parts glorifying the amazing achievements of toppers and records we made in 2020 board results.
Teachers not only make the best of a pupil's means, but also foresee a pupil's end. With the able guidance of our excellent teachers, the students were able to achieve outstanding results in all fields. The teachers had to put tremendous effort, like taking doubt clearing sessions, extra classes, and whatnot.
I am Priyadarshini Kedkar, Director of New Era Senior Secondary School, and today we are going to present you the second edition of our news there. And I am very happy to present that to you because it is all children's effort. And this is only I am presenting you the video. Rest of the work is done exclusively by the students, and that's what New Era stands for. We believe in children doing things. We believe in encouraging children to take the cudgel in their hands. We believe in children being creative. We believe in children being critical thinkers. And that has reaped us rich dividends now. With these new results that you are going to observe now, we have done marvelously well for ourselves. Hia, who has topped in humanities, has got 100 out of 100 in 3 subjects. Darsh, who has topped in commerce, has also got 100 out of 100 in 2 subjects. And Venkatesh, our own Venkatesh, he has been our student for a very long time. He has topped in science and he has also got 100 out of 100 into 3 subjects. That is something really very nice. And as I was talking the other day, 21 students out of 100 students scoring 100 out of 100 in various subjects is a really very feather in our cap. And I say this happens only because of the excellent teachers who leave nothing to chance. They teach with greatest methodology and pedagogy. Their own knowledge is surpassed really anybody else. They put their heart and soul in teaching, and the excellent students who are so very eager and curious to know, and we have experiential learning in the school, so they keep on working on that, and I find that is what is doing this what has happened now. Let me tell you about New Era. New Era has a tradition of doing well in every field, not only academics but sports as well. We have been getting various trophies in basketball, in football, in handball. We have been doing that with a big playground and wonderful teachers taking care of the children. Children excel in sports. Academics, as you are going to see today, well, nobody is going to beat us in academics. Whereas when you talk about discipline, New Era's discipline is talked about in the town. Badoda talks about New Era's discipline. Children are extremely disciplined. They are very obedient. They are very God-fearing children. They have lots of values in them, patriotic values, international values, ethical values, and that's what ultimately culminates in good results in the children. That is what I feel about. And you might feel that, well, she is very boastful. Yes, I am. Because the school is doing wonderfully well because of the children, the teachers, and cherry on the cake is the management who would provide us everything. The school lacks nothing in terms of infrastructure, in terms of non-material resources, material resources, and that we provide best facilities to the children, and children make best use of that. That's what New Era is. I hang here because there is a lot to come, and please wait with eagerness to see what is coming now. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone. A very big congrats to the entire New Era family for the stupendous board results. Once again, it has been proved that we New Eraites are a class apart. So, this edition of New Era News is dedicated to all the students and teacher warriors who have emerged victorious on the exam war front. It is indeed a great moment of pride for us because Ms. Hiya Khosla of Class 12 Humanities has topped the city and state with 99%. Dash and Shrikar Venkatesh have topped the Commerce and Science stream with 96.8%. Master Kriday Parmar has topped Class 10 with 98.8%. We have 7 students who have scored 100 on 100 in psychology, 5 students in physical education, 4 students in fine arts, 2 students each in political science and economics, and 1 student in biology. It is also very commendable to note that 9 of our students have scored 100 on 100 in class 10 mathematics. Our teachers will talk to you regarding these CBSE toppers in the later part. What one has witnessed here is a collective effort. Our director, Mrs. Kelkar, has been a great mentor. She has been the guiding force behind all our achievements. Our teachers, they have nurtured our students so well and have helped them scale great heights. The parents who have been supporting us in all our endeavors. The management who has provided us the conducive environment. And of course, the results reflect the determination, sincerity and the hard work put in by our students to reach their goals. And I would also like to take this opportunity to thank my team of New Era News, the student prodigies, for crafting this edition of New Era News. So, without much ado, I present before you the New Era Star Performers of the year 1920.
Hello everyone.
Good morning. My name is Hiya Khosla.
Hello everyone.
Hello everybody.
Hello everyone.
Hello everyone.
Hello everyone.
Hello everyone.
Hello everyone.
Hello.
Well, hello. Wait a minute. Don't get me wrong here. I am not here to teach you yoga asanas. But today, we are going to inherit the success mantra of New Era Super Achievers in CBSE Board Results 2020. Now, moving on to the higher secondary section. The students of 12th grade posted a 100% pass result as well, with 88% of students scoring above 80% of aggregate marks. The topper of the school, Hiya Khosla, scored 99%, along with being the CBSE subject topper in political science, economics, and psychology. She is also the city topper. Can you believe this? Let's hear what the teachers, her parents, and obviously Hiya have to say.
Good morning. My name is Hiya Khosla. Dream come true would be enough to describe how I felt after knowing my 12th scores. 12 marks are really important as they help you get into your dream college and they are like the base of a building. The more stronger the base, the more stable would be the building. My mantra of success was to study for 6 hours with full concentration. Revision also helped me a lot. Taking breaks between studies is also very important. One can pursue their passions or hobbies during those breaks. I used to listen to music and play chess. According to me, setting higher goals is more helpful than setting small, achievable goals because they tend to keep you motivated and you then put the best of you into them. The school provides a very healthy and competitive environment for a child to learn. I am also thankful to the teachers who always encouraged me and all other students. At this very point again, I am thankful to the school, teachers, my family members and friends for being a heart pillar of support throughout. Thank you.
I believe that we should not keep expectations from our children, rather we should keep hope from them. Hope brings lot of positivity and positive environment, so we should always keep hoping from them. It really helps. I always encourage Hiya to have a good sleep. It refreshes mind. and we should always give our children at this age emotional support. It's very much required at this age. Lastly, I would thank the school, the teacher and her friends to give her guidance and their support at the time of need.
I want to congratulate Haley and Haya, Hiya, Ira, Supriya, Shweta, all the students who have scored 100 on 100. You were good students. I'm proud of each one of you. And what was very outstanding about each one of them was that they took extra time and an extra effort to study the subject. They came into my office whenever they had doubts. They took in appointments for clarification of the topics that they never really understood. They were very focused in coming for their practical exams whenever it were mock practicals or whenever we had mock tests that we organized in the class. They were very punctual. Also, what I really like about them is they were very punctual in making their notes, all the notes that was made every time I took a lecture, writing down notes, preparing, learning, having group study. That was a wonderful thing about each one of them. As a teacher, what my main focus was is to prepare them for writing the answers that are accepted by the CBSE board. Not writing answers in any haphazard manner, but writing answers which includes key terms and phrases. Maintaining the word limit was very important. Also, trying to focus a lot on the examples that are given in the book. Many a times, they would write their own examples and sometimes they would give a wrong example to a correct answer. So I would always encourage them to read the examples in the textbook and understand them well. So also digest the textbook, the definitions, learning the definitions as they are. Encouraging them to give a lot of PowerPoint presentations because that encourages a student to read the text actually and present it in the class. So these are some of the ways in which psychology class was very interesting. We also did a lot of watching a lot of videos and movies and trying to understand various psychological disorders, and it helped us to understand what all people go through in normal lives, their daily lives.
I'm very glad to share with you the outstanding result of our student in class 12 board exam in humanities stream. Our student Hiya Khosla has secured 99% overall and 100 out of 100 in political science. She has topped in Baroda city. Haley Parekh secured 98%, while Anshika Jain has secured 97% in humanities stream. This is the result of their hard work, punctuality, dedication and discipline.
न्यूरा का रिजल्ट हमेशा की तरह 100% रहा है। फाइन आर्ट सब्जेक्ट में मैत्री रोरा, मीत शाह, जानवी चक्रवर्ती और अंशिका जैन जैसे स्टूडेंट जिन्होंने साइंस, कॉमर्स और ह्यूमैनिटीज़ की फील्ड ली थी, फाइन आर्ट्स में उन्हें 100 में से 100 मार्क्स प्राप्त किए हैं। उन्होंने शुरू से ही कड़ी मेहनत और लगन का प्रदर्शन किया है, जिसका उन्हें आज परिणाम मिल गया है।
Well, that marks the end of part 1. But don't go just yet. Next, we are going to be talking to the 12th science toppers and unearthing their success mantra.
And finally, the science stream. Shrikar Timirisa topped with 96.8%. Manvi Mehrotra and Siddharth Patel have tied for second place with 96.4%, while Naya Patel is third with 95.8%. Siddharth is also the CBSE topper of physical education. Now, let's have a look on what Shrikar and his parents have to say.
Hey there, this is Shrikar Tamirisa of class 12A and I am the class 12 board school topper of the year for science stream. It is my utmost pleasure that I have got this wonderful opportunity to share my experiences and views with you all. Obviously, class 12 boards are one of the gateways to higher studies, and scoring 96.8% has really been a great achievement for me. My perspective on exam preparation draws its essence from the Bhagavad Gita, that do your level best and stop fretting about the result. The contribution of school teachers and the school itself is immense. I've been studying at New Era from KG to UG quite literally. The competitive ecosystem of the school and the levels of exposure granted to students is unparalleled. The magic mantra for me has been focus on learning the concepts rather than just practicing the questions. I used to proceed to the practice only after I get the knack of the theory. For relieving stress, I used to spend some time scrolling through WhatsApp and Quora. I also had a taste for memes and it came a long way in getting rid of stress. But then, I never felt overstressed though, because we had a little joke running in my family that in the karmic way of life, not much is in your hands to alter. Coming to motivation, my parents had a big part to play in this aspect. Since my childhood, they have ingrained one thing in the back of my mind, that the only way to get out of this middle class way of life is to study hard and score good marks. Hence, there was no turning back. I always gave all I had to studies. Ending it all, I would suggest that being satisfied and happy with your life is the biggest goal, and hence setting realistic achievable goals is the key to a happy life, which matters the most. Life is too short to be unsatisfied.
School is so good. Contribution of teachers in his success is immense. Quality teachers dedicated to their students.
He studied his own. He will not depend on mostly anyone. He keep on studying even late hours in that one time. Yeah, we thought of he's good in studies. The trend is going on since 12th also. But he did that magic thing, and we are very happy. And the second thing is what next for him is he is supposed to give JEE exams. JEE main already I think he has given. He got 96 point something. 96.5%, and he's supposed to give that next exam in September. BITS Pelani is also there, and VIT Vellore is there, and we have to see what next we have to do the best for him. We will see after getting the result.
This year the results have been excellent. Out of 24 children, 18 children have scored more than 90 marks. Sneha Iyer has scored 100 on 100. Ayusha Taylor and Brunmai Vajde, they scored 99 marks. I have been taking regular tests after every unit and also sending the assignments to the students. After the pre-boards got over, I conducted tests with them from the sample papers of the board as well as the board important questions. I gave them board question papers to solve in a stipulated time in the school itself. I corrected the paper and gave them the feedback telling where the children have gone wrong and what the question is demanding from them.
From the very beginning, our main aim was to perform well in the board exam. In the year 2016-17, first we achieved 100 out of 100 in the elective subject. Though each and every year, many students have secured 99. In the year 2020, we achieved a milestone. 5 students secured 100 out of 100. I congratulate the students, parents, management, and the department for their wholehearted support and dedication for the elective subject.
I am here to talk about Class 12 Science Board results. New Era School students, the result is excellent with 100% passing. 45% students secured aggregate 90% and above marks. 48% students secured 80% to 90% aggregate marks and 100% secured above 70%. School toppers in science stream were Shrikar with 96.8%, Manvi and Siddharth with 96.4% and Naya with 95.8%. As a class teacher, I feel proud of my students. It was wonderful teaching them as they were so sensible and cooperative. School topper Shrikar was not only good in academics but also very active in co-scholastic and co-curricular areas.
Siddharth is very good athlete as well as excellent football player. Manvi is silent and sharp. Naya is national level basketball player.
Congratulations to all my students. When it comes to class 12th B, I am very proud to state the names of Manvi Mayuratra, who stood second in the school, Naya Patel, who is third in the school, and Sneha. Both have got 100 marks in physical education and biology respectively. They have achieved this result because of their sincere, regular, punctual, disciplined hard work. I wish them all the success in their future life. May God bless them abundantly.
After listening to so many teachers and students, one might feel that this is the end of their achievements. However, the Newerites have no boundaries. So, stay tuned. Part 3 is coming up next.
Rolling on to the commerce stream. Thus, Kotastin has topped with 96.8% while being the CBSE topper in economics, while Om Hirani and Janvi Chakravarti have bagged the second and the third position respectively. Janvi is also the CBSE topper in painting. I am so proud of my seniors, they have done so well.
I am Darsh Kotastane and I scored 96.8% in my 12th boards and stood first in New Era Senior Secondary School. Apart from that, I am a subject topper with 100 marks in economics. It took a lot of dedication and hard work to achieve such a great score. It was not like that I was sitting at home and studying for 24/7. I also listened to music, read books, newspapers, do exercise and gardening which added to my leisure time. I am really thankful to my parents, director ma'am, principal ma'am and teachers who dedicated themselves toward my success. Thank you for making learning our passion. The magic mantra behind my school was 3Ds, that is determination, decision and discipline. From the very beginning of 12th, I was very much focused on my studies and ensured that all my basic commercial concepts are properly clear. If any doubt, I never hesitated to clear it with my teachers. I ain't that much active on social media, but I used to spend 40 to 50 minutes on it every day. But during the exams, I shut all sorts of distractions and fully focused on my studies. I rely on music to relieve the stress, as music is one of the best stress busters. Now, after my 12th, I am looking forward to pursue BCom with ACCA professional degree, that is a UK-based International Chartered Accountant program. Usually, I find that students are in a dilemma whether to set high goals or set achievable goals, small achievable goals. Personally, I feel that it totally depends upon the capacity or caliber and focusing power of the student. For me, I set my goals high, which constantly motivates me to work towards it and achieve it properly and also perform well in my academic career. With this, I would also like to give a message to our teachers that 10 years from now, it will not be the score that you gave us that mattered, but the lessons you taught and all the productive discussions will all that matter.
I am Deepika Pandey, economics teacher in New Era Senior Secondary School. I would like to share outstanding result of our students in class 12 board exam 2019-20. Two of our students got 100% marks in economics, that is 100 out of 100. One is from commerce stream, that is Darsh, another from humanities, Hiya Khosla. Darsh is very sincere, hardworking, dedicated and inquisitive sort of student. And Hiya, she was pretty polite, humble, sincere and obedient one. They both really worked hard. They focused more on revision. They solved all possible questions from sample papers. And yeah, intelligence mixed with hard work always turn out great. I wish them luck for their better future.
All the three students, Janvi, Om and Darsh, have been doing very well in the school-based exams as well. And we have been continuously guiding and mentoring them at every stage. In the school-based exams, we help them to identify their mistakes and to work on it. We help them to analyze and introspect their own strengths and weaknesses so that they can work on their strengths and they can overcome their weaknesses. Yes, and the success mantra for the board students have been, first is study consistently. Second is work hard. Third is to stay calm and confident.
For me, it feels very inspiring to listen to my seniors. I'm sure you feel the same. Anyways, that marks the end of part 3, and along with that, the achievements of our 12th standard topper. Next, we are going to be talking to Kriday Parmar, our 10th standard topper.
Let us begin with our 10th toppers. We have posted an exceptional 100% pass result in the AISSC Result 2020. Kriday Parmar topped the school while Bhaumik Chavda and Samar Srikhar bagged the 2nd and 3rd position. There are 9 students who are CBSE toppers in mathematics and almost 100 students who scored an aggregate of marks above 80%. What a commendable performance!
Kriday Parmar of class 10 has scored 98.8% while being the CBSE topper in class 10th. Let us talk to him and know how he was able to scale this height.
Hello, I am Kriday Parmar. Recently CBSE announced its class 10 and 12 board examination results. I am happy to announce that I secured 98.8% in class 10 board exams, and today I will be sharing my experiences. I am thankful to my teachers, my friends and my parents who constantly supported and guided me throughout this journey. I am especially grateful to my teachers who always cleared my doubts and made sure that my concepts were clear. Students generally create a hype regarding board examinations, but I took it as just another exam of my life and prepared the same way as I do for school exams. So there was no specific mantra to success. The aim was to focus on studies, improve on my mistakes, and give the best paper of my life on the examination day, and that worked for me. The key is to manage stress. I always talked to my parents and shared my daily life issues, and they helped me resolve them. I also listened to music and played football in my free time to soothe myself. The future ambition is to get into one of the IITs, and that is what I am preparing for in the next 2 years. It is generally said that passion takes a backseat while preparing for board exams, but I don't agree with it. You can devote less time, but you can always pursue your passion, and these two happens in the last 1 or 2 months of board preparations, or else it's all normal. We must also acknowledge the fact that the competition is rising day in and out, but we cannot do much about it. We have to put our maximum efforts, because it is our efforts that define success. Therefore, I prefer high goals over small achievable goals, because that brings the best out of you and pushes you to challenge your limits. And if you remain focused and determined to achieve your goal, you will always succeed. Thank you.
Expectations. We expect that Kriday will separately do something good. Though he's very ordinary, simple, and just like any other kids used to be. But we have noticed one thing in him: very calm, balanced in his thoughts. He does not get panicked so fast, and quietly concentrate on his job and wish to achieve what his goal.
Not magic percentage, but we are expecting his results will be good. He was always good in his curriculum from childhood. His concentration to achieve the results and hard work played roles to achieve this.
Schools and teachers definitely contribute tremendous roles in the student's development. A child efforts in their formative schooling years shape them into what type of person he will be. The school environment helps him to discover what he would be. He learns a lot of social skills like how to be kind to others, how to make friends, when to ask for help, and when to be independent, distinguish between what is right and wrong, and many other lessons. In many cases, students learn all these things from teachers first. I think teachers probably treat them as students as their own children.
As a parent, we always wish that our child should excel in all skills, but it may not be possible all times. In such scenario, they should be prepared for such circumstances. A little failure will never stop a truly determined person. Without failure, we would be less capable of compassion, empathy, kindness, and great achievements.
Like every year, even this year, our students have performed brilliantly in the board exam results. Specifically talking about 10th standard results, so there are 48 students who have scored above 90% overall percentage. And specifically, if I talk about my subject maths, so there are 9 students who got full 100 out of 100, and 15 students have scored 99 out of 100. The top 10 students are Kriday, Bhaumik, Samarth, Nupur, Aditi, Piyush, Ashutosh, Sanskriti, Dhruvi, Harshin. And the last in this list has scored 96.2. So all these are above 96 percentage. Our topper Kriday Parmar has 98.8% overall performance, and he gets 100 marks in maths also.
It is my pleasure and it's really a proud moment to share the result of class 10th and 12th. We got 100% result in class 10th and 12th. We have a very good team of experienced teaching faculties. All our teachers have put a lot of efforts to ensure that all our students achieve that best results. I really congratulate all the students, all the parents, all my colleagues, and especially Director Madam and Principal Madam.
Oof, it's been quite a journey. Now, having heard it from the toppers and teachers themselves, we can understand how hard they work by isolating themselves from social media. These achievements were made possible by the tremendous support from their parents, teachers, classmates, and loved ones.
I think that pretty much wraps it up. Hope you liked our news bulletin.
Oh, wait, don't leave now. Stay tuned. Edition 3 is coming shortly.
We bid adieu till the next edition.